Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to view someone TikTok private account. How to view someone TikTok private account. You know, some people has made their TikTok account private. So if you want to view it, I will show you step by step, or I will guide you step by step. Can you follow the video to not mix any information or any steps? If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to my channel? So let's start. First, if your WhatsApp is not up to date, go to Play Store and update it. Go to Play Store and update it. Open your TikTok app like this. The moment you open your TikTok app like this, then move to the search bar. The search bar there, you click there. You click on the search bar icon. You then search for the name that you want to view the account, or you want to view his account. So you then search. So this is the name I want to view, the Nigel 95. So you to depend the name you want to search for. You search. Yes. You open. Here the account is private. See, the account is private. So you want to view it and see. So here you take a screenshot of it. So you take a screenshot. After you finish taking a screenshot, of it, you then, after you take the screenshot, you then move back, you go back. You see the profile there. You click on the profile. So here, you see the three lines dots. You click on the top right hand side corner. You click there. You then move to settings and privacy. So under the settings and privacy, you go down. You move down. Under the settings and privacy, you move down here. You see report problem. You report problem. So you copy a report problem. So you click on it. So it is processing. Yes. So when it opens like this, you scroll down. Down. Here, you see something here. You see some phone is submit, but others to is chat with us. So you click on chat with us. So on chat with us, you write this to Instagram, or you write this to TikTok. So you send this to TikTok. Hi TikTok, I've been using my account for years. I have wanted to view the content of the account who is my friend in real life, but in this TikTok has settings. It has the privacy on his account, mean it in his account content private is an urgent to see private. So you send all this thing. So here you attach the name to it. His username is. The moment you do this and you send to WhatsApp, in a few hours or days, you receive message from TikTok, and you receive a way, or they give you a way to view that private account. If you're new to the channel, can I subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.